Good morning everyone. So today again we are back with a new video, and today we are going to discuss regarding a very interesting topic, that is our teeth. Everybody is so much concerned about the teeth. Without teeth it's not possible us to do so many functions now, so we'll be discussing regarding the teeth. So let's see first what is a teeth, how we can define that teeth. So the teeth, it is the hardest substance in the body. So simply we can say that the teeth, it is the hardest substance in the body, and everybody can see a teeth. So if we are talking about the functions, why this teeth is so important for us. So first is to speak clearly. Right now everybody is having the teeth, you can see. If you are not having the teeth, will you be able to speak clearly? No, it's not possible. So we can see in the old aged people also, if they are not having the teeth, so they are not able to speak clearly. We are not able to understand their voice clearly. So simply we can say that it is responsible, it is helping us to speak clearly our words. And second, to chew the food. If we do not have the teeth, so we will not be able to cut the food, we will not be able to chew the food. Simply we have to engulf that food. So it's not possible. So that's why the teeth is very important in our life. Without teeth we will not be able to do these functions. Now when we are talking about the teeth, so there is a word odontology. So this odontology, it is a study, it is a science which is related to the study about the teeth. In this we are just studying about the teeth and its details. Now when we are talking about the teeth, so I have just made a very rough diagram. So you can see this is a one teeth. So in this one teeth we can see here two parts. One, it is our enamel, other is your dentine. This is the innermost part and this is the outermost part. This is the enamel. So the enamel, this is the hardest outer white part of the teeth. For example, you can see, you can just stand in the front of the mirror and you can observe your own teeth. The white part which is visible, that is the hardest part, and it is the outermost part, that is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of the teeth. And inside just the innermost portion of the teeth, it is our dentine. So we can say that our teeth is having the two parts. One, we are having the enamel. It is the white portion part which is visible to us, and the dentine, it is the innermost part. Now let's see what is the composition of this one, of the enamel and the dentine. When we are talking about the enamel, so enamel is made from the calcium phosphate crystal. So we can say it's a calcium phosphate crystal, or the other name of this we can say that it is a crystal apatite. So if anybody is asking that the enamel is made by which component, so simply we can say that the composition here is the calcium phosphate crystal or the calcium apatite. Now let's move to the dentine. So in the case of dentine, the dentine is made from the calcium phosphate. Its composition is calcium phosphate. Now everybody is we are always hearing from our childhood, we are hearing that we are having the milk teeth, doodh ka daant. So here in the milk teeth we are having 20 in number. So till 12 to 14 years of age, दिस मिल्क टीथ्स आर ब्रोकन. हमारे जो दूध के दांत होते हैं वो 12 से 14 साल तक क्या हो जाते हैं, ये टूट जाते हैं. और टोटल हाउ मेनी मिल्क टीथ्स वी आर हैविंग 20 मिल्क टीथ्स. एंड इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द परमानेंट teeth or the secondary teeth, so we are having 32. So normally if anybody is asking how many teeth do we have, so right now we can say that we are having 32, and adult can simply say 32, but it's not correct. If we are talking about this in detail, so simply the milk teeth, it is 20 in number, and the permanent or the secondary teeth, it is 32. But if it in our lifespan, if we are talking about, simply we can say that the milk teeth, it was 20 in number, and the permanent teeth, it is 32 in number. So when we are combining together, when we are adding this one, so it is coming 52. So in our lifespan, the whole life, for example, my lifespan is 60 years. So in my 60 years of age, I will be having 52 teeth. So now we will be discussing in detail about the types of teeth, the incisors, canine, premolars and molars. Okay, so now we will be discussing regarding the types of teeth. So we can see in the image also the teeth. So we are having 4 types of teeth. It is already mentioned here. We are having 4 types of teeth. What are they? It's incisors, canine, premolar and molars. We are having 4 types of teeth in a human being. That is our incisors, canine, premolar and molar. Now let's discuss in detail about all these 4 types of teeth. Now first is our incisors teeth. Incisors, so we are calling it as nose teeth also. Do you know why we are calling it as nose teeth? Because it is just below our nose. You can feel also, you can touch. Just you see in front of your nose, you can see your nose and just you put your hands, fingers, and you will see that all the 4 teeth in front of your 4 teeth. For example, we are having 2 jaws, this lower jaw and the upper jaw. So we can take any one. For example, you can take the upper jaw. So in the upper jaw, the 4 teeth which is just coming below your nose, that is our incisors. So incisors, they are known as the biting teeth also, or we just mainly biting teeth or cutting teeth also. So what is the function of the incisors? The incisors, they are responsible for biting and cutting the food. We can see here, I have mentioned the incisors are having the sharp edges like scissors. Scissors are having the sharp edges. So just like that, the incisors are also having the sharp edges. So they are just used for biting and cutting the food. And if we are talking about how many incisors we are having, so total we are having 8 in number. In our teeth, we are having total 8 incisors. 4 in the upper jaw and the 4 in the lower jaw. Now next we are having the canine. Now in the case of canine, the canine is known as the eye teeth. You can see your eyes, just take your fingers, take your hands in front of your eyes and just you put your fingers. Simply you will be able to see this 2. One in this side and one in this side. This is our canine. So canine is known as the tearing teeth. So in the case of canines, the canines are having the sharp and pointed edges. So mainly what we are seeing here in the case of canines, the number it is 4. 2 in the upper jaw and 2 it is in the lower jaw. Now the third we are having the premolars. So premolars is known as the chick teeth. So we are having a chick, so you can feel also. So in the case of this also, just if you feel the chick and the front of the chick only, we will be able to fill out our premolars. So if you are talking about the number of premolars, so it is having 8. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 it is in the lower jaw. So it is mainly responsible for mashing and grinding of food, just like mixer grinders. We are using the mixer grinders for grinding the food. किसी भी चीज को पीसने के लिए हम मिक्सर ग्राइंडर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Same like that, our premolars are also responsible for grinding the food into very finer particles. And it is having the flat ended. It is a flat ended teeth and it's 8 in number. Now the last we are having molars. So molars is known as the wisdom teeth. So everybody is much aware about the wisdom teeth. आप सभी ने सुना होगा wisdom teeth के बारे में. अक्ली की दांत, जिसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में अक्ली की दांत. So wisdom teeth. So here in the case of molars, so it is responsible for crushing the food also, not only for grinding. वो सिर्फ उसको पीसने के लिए, खाना को पीसने के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं होता, grinding of the food. It is also responsible for crushing the food. And the case of molars, you can see also in front of mirror, you can stand and you can observe your own teeth. आप अपने दांतों को खुद देख सकते हैं. जो आपका molars है, in the molars we are having a larger surface area. हमारा सबसे ज़्यादा surface area हमें किस में देखने को मिलता है? We can see in the molars. So here the molars are also known as the wisdom teeth, as I told. And why it is known as wisdom teeth? ऐसा नहीं है कि why there is any we can just say as it is that it is a wisdom teeth. There is a reason why we are calling it as wisdom teeth. Let's see what is the reason behind that. So the molars, it is the last teeth to develop and erupt. सबसे लास्ट में हमारा मोलर टीथ डेवलप होता है. इन द लास्ट इट इज गेटिंग डेवलप एंड इट इज गेटिंग इरप्टेड. बहुत जल्दी वो खत्म भी, फिर लास्ट में खत्म भी हो जाता है. एंड मेनली इन द केस ऑफ एडोलेसेंस ओनली इट इज happening. So the molars are coming in the adolescence period. So normally it is coming around 14 to 15 years of age. The molar teeth is being developed in the human beings. So it is 12 in number. So if we are calculating 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12, so it's 32 in number. So we are talking this about the adult. So now when we are talking about these types of teeth, so in the teeth we are having a dentine formula also. Let's see what is this dentine formula, how we are calculating this dentine formula. So we can see in this image that we are having this teeth. So if we are talking, just let's talk about only a lower jaw. So we are talking only about a lower jaw. So for example, in this lower jaw, we have to divide from the center. आप लोग अपने हाथों से भी just हम लोग यहाँ से we can just take from here and we can divide it from center. Just you can put from your nose only and you can divide from your center only. So what we will see, we in the lower jaw, the half portion only we have to calculate. Then we have to multiply. Now we are having the 4 teeth already. I told incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So incisors are being written as I, canine as C, premolar as PR and molars as M. So here in the dentine formula, because we are not having only the lower jaw, we are having the upper jaw also. So I have written here ICPRM divided by again the same ICPR comma M. Now first we will be talking about the adult. What will be the dentine formula of this? Now in the case of incisors, so in the case of incisors I have already mentioned 8. So you can feel also, I already told in the starting, the first 4 teeth are our incisors. In the upper jaw, the first 4 teeth are our incisors. So if we are dividing, then only 2 will be coming. 2 will go to the right side and 2 will go in the left side. So if we are taking the left side, so it will be 2 in number. So I have mentioned out here 2. Okay. Now next we are having canine. So in the case of canine, I have mentioned 4. So if we are having this 4 parts, so in the case of canine, as I told that we have only 2 teeth in the upper jaw. So if we are taking on the left part, so it will be 1 in number. So 2, 1. Now premolar. In the case of premolar, again we are having total 8 teeth. Out of that we are having 4 teeth in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So if we are dividing, again 2 will come. So it will be 2 in number. And in the case of molars, we are having total 12 teeth. So the 3 is there in the 6 is there in the upper jaw and 6 is in the lower jaw. So if we are dividing the upper jaw, so only 3 will be coming. So I can write down here 2, 1, 2, 3. So same I will be writing here below also 2, 1, 2, 3. So this is our dental formula. If we are calculating 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, it's 8. And if you are multiplying with 4, so it is 32 in number. Now we will be discussing regarding the child. As I told in the starting only of this video that it is having only 20 in number and the adult is having 32 teeth in the number. Now let's see about talk about the child. So in the case of child, the child is also having 2 incisors. If we are talking about a child also, we are dividing from the center, so it will also have the 2 incisors. In the case of the canine also it will be having 1, it will be same. In the case of the child, it doesn't have a premolar. आपका जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनमें प्रीमोलर्स नहीं होता. That's why I have mentioned out here 0, because it do not have a premolar, so it is 0. And in the case of the child, the third molar is not there. The molar, we can say that the molar is also divided into 3 parts. The first molar, the second molar and the third molar. So here in the case of the child, the first molar is there, the second molar is there, but the third molar is not there. That's why I have mentioned out here 2 number. So if we are calculating 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 0, it is 3 only. And 3 plus 2, it's 5. So if you are multiplying with 4, 5 into 4, it will be 20. So here we are having 20 teeth. So we have discussed about the teeth in this video. So in the next video, we will be meeting again with a new topic. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.